Show me something in my heart. Words I drew from this bird's eye view. Show me something in my heart. Never overdone. Better hold your tongue. Better yet, go wrap your lips around a loaded gun. You know what? I don't even talk like that. Been around the world and back, and I don't need an almanac. I'm just trying to say whatever it says. Tried to draw a crowd, I drew a blank instead. Night in the living dead. I lie awake in bed, vacant headed. I ain't meditating, I'm just stupid though. Recording live from a different tier. Open your eyes so it's crystal clear. Immortal life is my biggest fear. The flow will give you swimmer's ear, disappear in the bloom of smoke. Pumas laced up, shoot the place up. Back off, mad dog, chew your face up. Custom model, pull up in the custom model, dipping in the custom model, sipping out a Boston bottle. Words I drew for you, show me something in my heart. Words I drew from this bird's eye view, show me something in my heart.